Well, he just told us the first time you will have a stomach problem, but the next time you will be better, right?
Yeah, next time.
10 minutes.
It's very good for health.
Okay. And you all Omani drink camel milk?
Yeah, everybody here. Sometimes not everybody eat anything. Only
They only drink
the drink of milk of the camels.
Salam YouTube, this is Yan. I am on my longest way back home from Europe to China, and now I am in Dubai. And yesterday I and Flo, we finished our trip in Iraq and went back to Dubai, but a small incident happened. That is, my drone got detained in the airport. This time I was told that I need a permission, and then I find out that to register your drone you need a UAE residence permit or ID card, but I don't have that. Basically, international tourists, it's impossible for them to register their drone or fly the drone in UAE. Eventually the solution is to leave my drone in airport, and I will get it back when I leave this country. I am now in a hotel, and Flo is going to get us a car because we're going to start a road trip in a new country, that is Oman. Speaking of Oman, I've heard so many nice things about this country. I heard that it's one of the most peaceful countries in the Middle East, who has close ties with almost every neighbors. I also heard that Omanis are very, very friendly. Oman practices a special religion called Ibadism, which advocates tolerance. And secondly, Oman is said to be one of the few countries in the Middle East that managed to maintain its traditional Arabic culture. Unlike UAE, which is pretty much international and a cosmopolitan, in Oman you can experience the authentic Arabic flavor. So I am really looking forward to the coming 1 week. On entering Oman, I've noticed this photo is posted in every shop. He's Sultan Qaboos, the past ruler of Oman. Although Oman is an absolute monarchy, Sultan Qaboos has been very much loved by its people. As the longest-serving Arab ruler, Qaboos pulled his nation from poverty and built Oman into a country of prosperity and peacemaking. Oh, by the way, our first day in Oman was brutal. We covered over 1,000 kilometers. To make our later trip easier, we decided first of all to go southwest to Salalah, and it was a really long ride of over 1,000 kilometers through the most monotonous landscape of the country. And yesterday Flo drove over 10 hours. We had lots of junk food, we listened to music, and I had to do everything I can to entertain him so that he won't fall asleep.
Yes, it was a pretty boring ride through the desert. There were no dunes, nothing. Well, then the nightfall is quite early at like 6:30, and we arrived in Salalah, I think, at around midnight or 1 a.m. So 6 hours riding through the dark, and but now we're here.
But this is not over. The next day we drove further along the coast. From Salalah to Yemeni Border, the weather changes so much.
We just stopped over at some little bay on our way to the Yemeni border. It's actually quite beautiful, so I'm gonna show you this. It's still quite cloudy and foggy, but now the sun goes through a little bit, and well, I'm gonna walk up here while there are other tourists as well taking pictures. Also from Muscat, and then it's super sunny and dry,
Exactly.
and then the mountains
it is
come,
very narrow.
and then it looks like this.
Exactly. Yeah. It is very like narrow. It's called thin place.
Yeah.
Okay.
May I ask what's the season called?
Sarb.
Sarb.
S-A-R-B.
S-A-R-B, Sarb. The
Yeah.
end of Carib.
The end of Carib. There is
Carib.
no rain, but like the green place will remain like 1 month.
Green and cloudy.
Exactly.
Wow.
Actually, the local people here, they like it more than Kharif. because they suffer in that, because of people to gathering will be too much.
Yeah.
Everything will be expensive.
Yeah. Monsoon season lasts only 3 months. It turns Salalah into a lush green Arabian paradise. The mountain traps a cloud and it gets humid and rainy. We drove into the clouds and then out and in and out again.
It's crazy how green this area is actually. So just above the clouds, and it's literally just maybe 200 meters higher where we rode just 10 minutes ago. It's a completely dry desert, and here it looks like Central Europe. Not kidding. We just came across from there, from this road. Down there, there's the ocean. We are literally above the clouds. So the ocean is just like 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers down there. There's the coast, and the clouds are kind of deep. And there, in like 5 kilometers, there's the Yemeni border. So I'm just like here, and this little road literally goes over the Yemeni border and then back.
We also see so many free roaming camels on the road, and often had to stop and let them go first. You can see camels pretty much everywhere, and also camel meat is a very typical food in a restaurant. Those camels, they are so cute. They are taking a bath right now in the mud.
How are you?
Hi, fine. How are you?
Where are you?
I'm Germany. From Germany. Romania. Yeah.
Nice.
Come here.
Thanks. Now we're going to their little farm. Maybe we'll try the camel milk, but I don't know. But I'm really looking forward. Are you Omani or?
Yeah, Omani.
How many camels do you have?
This one?
Yeah.
Somebody different. Somebody have 60, somebody 5 teeth, 30, like this.
Okay.
Ah, wow. And do you sell camel milk?
Yeah.
And how much?
You want the milk of the
Later,
Do
yes.
you drink it?
yeah, very good.
Is it? Okay.
Very good.
I've
But
never.
the first time you will big problems for you.
Big
Not-
problems.
Next
You
time
want?
it will be okay.
I'm not sure I will try.
I'll
You want to
try.
try?
A little, a very, very little bit.
Well, he just told us the first time you will have a stomach
Okay.
problem,
Huh?
but the next time you will be better, right?
Yeah, next time. It's very good for health.
Okay. And you all Omani drink camel milk?
Yeah, everybody here.
Wow.
Sometimes not everybody eat anything. Only the
They only drink.
the drink of milk of the camel. Yemen not far from here.
Yes, yes.
Only around 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
From here to there, only 20 kilometers.
Have you been to Yemen?
Did
You
you
have
go?
the passport? You have the passport there?
No, I don't have a visa.
We cannot go to Yemen.
Not go there.
Can you go
Did you?
there?
Can you go Yemen?
Yeah.
Did you go already? Okay.
Every time going.
Okay.
Every time. Every day.
Every day you go to Yemen?
Yeah, every day. It's not far from here.
Yeah, yeah.
If I want to go walking, it will take only half an hour. Half an hour going.
So half an hour and then checkpoint?
My camel there, and my father are there in Yemen.
Your father is in Yemen.
Yeah.
So you're from Yemen?
No, I'm from Oman.
But your
But
father is from
my
Yemen?
father is stay there. He like the Yemen,
Ah,
and all my camels there
Okay.
in Yemen.
But you are all from Oman here?
Yeah, this is Oman.
And then you have Indian, Bengal?
Yeah, other,
To
other
help?
some different people from Pakistan, from India, from
Okay.
Bengal.
To help with the
Yeah,
camels?
it's working with.
Okay, working, yeah.
Do it working there.
camel feeding in this region, as he told us, it's seasonal. There are only 3 months where you can find green plants here. That is July, August, and September. And afterwards, they will take all the camels back down near the coast.
منك تنين منك واحد 5.
ليش هذا ما هذا شوية وخليه هنا ما يريد واحد يريد لكن ما في فلوس أنا ما أريد أشتغل زيادة بعد لا.
They are really super cute creatures, but he wants to show us the baby camels, but this baby camel sounds very reluctant. After some minutes, finally he calmed it down. This amazing creature. After feeding, he started milking the camel. They want to give it to us as a gift. But he has to compete with the baby camel.
شرب يسوي سمسمنا ولا كذا هذا نو شوف هذا نمونه نو بروبلم
No problem, yes.
لكن في يسوي سمسمنا
Yes? Probably he means that we have to cook it.
Yeah,
Cook
I
it.
think so.
سمسم
So heat,
هيت
like fire.
okay.
Okay.
سمسم هيت
Okay.
وهذا يسوي شوي وتر
Okay.
Water?
You put
Yes.
water.
يجي برابر
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And see you next time.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, see you next time. We were about to leave because it's already 5 p.m. and we would like to go to another place, and he asked us to wait for about 5 minutes, and he gave us these bottles of camel milk and told us how to drink camel milk. That is just incredible. Back in the hotel, our receptionist told us camel milk is a strong drink. Those who drink it for the first time will have diarrhea. But once you get used to it, it can have health benefits. So I pass it to him because we are afraid of getting sick. I did try one spoon, and guess what? It has an unforgettable raw flavor.